Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a 7-in-1 beauty care massager. So you actually have all these different attachments, which I'll be going over in a second. But this is what it looks like, and let's get right into this video. It does have a user manual underneath there. So I'm going to go through each of the heads. So this one right here is crude polish accessory. These ones, this is a long ultra fine brush. It feels very, very soft. It looks like it comes with two of these. No, it's two different ones. So this one right here is a coarse brush. And then this one is a long ultra fine brush. No, this one is the short. So this one right here is a short soft brush. So they're all very nice. It also has this right here. It's a pumice applicator, so great for taking off the calluses off your feet. It has this right here, which is a roll ball massager head. So this is great for just like massaging your face. I like to put on serums and stuff like that with these. It feels so amazing and just really relaxing. And then you have this, which is a makeup sponge. If you want to apply your foundation with that. I like to use sponges, but I like to use a dabbing motion rather than a smearing motion. So it just depends on what exactly you like to do. So let me go ahead and open this up. So you're gonna need batteries. You're gonna need 2 AA batteries. So let me go ahead and grab that real quick. Also, absolutely love the color to this. It's like a beautiful sage green. Okay, so I got my batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply them real quick. Like this, push it in and press down. So very nice. And I'm going to apply, I'm just gonna do the massager since I have makeup on right now. Later on, I'll throw in a clip of me actually taking off my makeup, but it's still early and I have to go to town. So I'm just gonna put this one on. So it does have low and high. So that's low, that's high. Oh my God, goodness, that feels so good. This is so nice. So just really, really nice feeling. But like I said, this is actually great for applying sermons and stuff. And you can get like right in this area right here. You can't go like directly on your eye, but you can get the top of your eyebrow. And really good just to help stimulate circulation. And that will also help with anti-wrinkles. And then you have your face brushes, which is why most people would buy this, is to cleanse your makeup really well. So this is the more coarse brush and it feels really nice. This is really nice. So as you can see, and I like the fact like the middle feels like it just gets a little more tense, so it's really going to get in there and take off your makeup. So let me go ahead and put a clip of me actually taking off my makeup with this. Okay, so I brushed my teeth and now I'm going to start washing my face. I'm just going to use this face cleaner right here. So I'm just going to wet this, pour some of this on, and start cleansing my face. You can see all the makeup's pulling off, so I'm going to rinse it off. Okay, now I'm going to get a clean wipe and see how well. Yep. That like got really deep into the pores, as you can see. All I did was wipe everything off, but normally I have like a lot of makeup that gets left behind inside my pores. So I'm glad that I use this. It works really well, and just make sure once you're done, you clean off the heads really good. So I'm gonna do just like that, and then it's ready for next time. so you can see how it worked. Of course, you're going into the future because I have not yet recorded that. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.